Maayong hapon ka magstorya. Guess where we are? Atong susihon ang sinugdanan og istorya sa Sans Rival sa Dumaguete. Yay! And atong welcome ang atong guests. Of course, ang friend nga taga nga rin lumag nga taga Negros Oriental. Sige na siya work na rin sa Dumaguete. Mo ni si Sir Joel Apa. Welcome to the show.
Hello, mga istorya. Welcome to our show. I'm your guest, co-host karon, and we're here finally in Dumaguete, Sans Rival. And you know, di ba, Mar, grabe ka popular ang Sans Rival karon.
Basta Dumaguete, the first thing that come to mind, Sans Rival, Silvanas.
Tinuod. Pero, jutay lang ang nagkabalo, no? Gamay lang sila ang kabaw, kung sa gyud ang history, kung sa ang story behind Sans Rival. Because there's really more to know about kung sa ang flavors, ang kalami, no? O katamis.
Asa dyan na nagsugod, no? Ato dyan na susihon, MugSusi kita karon.
Alright.
No?
So karon,
kauban nato,
Samang tagiya.
Kauban nato karon ang usa sa mga tagiya sa Sans Rival.
And she is none other than Ma'am Chining. Trinidad Chining Maria.
Hello. Where I look here?
Oo.
Sorry.
Anywhere lang.
Okay, sorry.
This is very
Hello,
casual.
Usuka. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Sans Rival Bistro. We are now at the Bistro. We have also Sans Rival cakes and pastries there. But right now we are at the Bistro, our ancestral home.
Wow.
Okay.
Ancestral home, so this really speaks of the family, no?
Yes.
And
And
the origin dyan.
the origin of Sans Rival. Ma'am, can you tell us how did it start, the Sans Rival business?
Okay. It started with my mother. Okay, she opened her small cafe, Sans Rival Cakes and Pastries Cafe, in our garden here. It's very safe property. Okay, in 1977.
Wow.
So that makes us like 40 plus
Wow.
years already.
Can you give us a picture, ma'am, of what's the look of the first store? Was it already this big, or was it
No, the first store was actually a portion of our garden. It only could hold like 4 tables.
4 tables?
Four
Gamay pa
tables.
gyud ka.
1977, so, you know, dili ka nito aircon.
Wow.
So,
Ayahay pa man sa
Ayahay pa kayo.
Ayahay
Gusto
pa.
ko kayo.
Oh my God, we have
Yes,
to
climate change.
So, there, that's how she started. It was very small, and I remember my father saying that if it will not work, ato nang gamo mausoleo para nako. Because my mother had started it, and she was already 50 plus.
Wow.
So I've always told that sometimes when I do some talks, I always say that it's never too late, because as I said, my mother at 1977, she was in her 50s yet. So
Mona, guys, no? Take your own pace, good, no?
Correct.
true.
Success will just come your way. Nalandiyan tayo. Maghuwat lang din.
Regardless of age, whether senior citizen na ka, you can say make your own.
Do you know the name of your mother and father now?
My mother's full name is Trinidad Teves Sagaro-Balia.
You're really named after your mother.
Yes.
But
After
why
my mother.
na Ma'am Chining?
Chining. Okay. Well, we are 6 in the family. So all 6, we inherited this business from her. Okay, so our names are all from our lolos, but our nicknames are all CH. It starts with CH. So it starts with Cholo, then Chitong, Chiki, Chikitin, my brother, and myself, Chiting, and then our youngest, Chona. Why CH? I don't know. We have asked her that. We've asked my mom.
Pero nalandiyan na kayo also magod na before na uniform with no.
Pero yung kind of smart, but show
To be part of their family.
yes, and become part of the family, It's very
Yeah.
nice history, and it really speaks of the bond, and the culture that you have. But dili sa Negros, it's very kanakabaw ang tanang tao na popular kayo with sugarcane, So does this have any connection with sugarcane industry? Because sometimes if you have a lot of resources,
Yes.
you venture into something.
Well, give you a brief background about this house. This house, my mother, was the home of the parents of my mother, and they owned sugarcane farm
Yes.
in Baguio.
Baguio.
And then when they passed away, my mother, her family had inherited many properties, and she was the one who inherited this house. Okay, so this house was really built by my mother's father.
And now, ma'am, let's know about...
in the 1930s.
How about the name Sans Rival? How did they choose it?
Okay, I've been asked that many times. I think because her first product, before even opening up her small cafe, was really Sans Rival. And the friends and family started ordering it from her because it was good. So she would, bake it for them, and that's how it started. And after that, she was advised, now why don't you open your own so that so we can buy, and that's how it started. So she decided that she would open up a small store. And since Sans Rival was her first product and what she was good at, that's why she named it Sans Rival Cakes and Pastries.
I see. It really starts with passion, no? Kung saan ka passionate about, and then you become good at it, and the people notice, and they are going to advise you, oh, kana, business na.
From the friends, relatives, the people in a small circle, it became a big circle. And now, fortunately, Mar, dili lang diri sa Dumaguete makita ang Sans Rival, no? We can even see it in Manila, in Cebu. So, ma'am, can you tell us why did you venture out? Kay ako, Dumaguetenyo man ko somehow, no? Kay I was born here, no? Though I'm from Panay City. But we knew that people come here for Sans Rival, and some people say, dito kita sa Dumaguete makita, and now you branch out, no? How did it start, the idea of going out of Negros?
Maybe it really started out with being able to service more people, more customers who enjoyed our products. So we had been in Dumaguete, as I said, since 1977, and when my mother passed away in 2004, the family came in and we decided to expand her legacy because this is what she left us. And so we decided, after renovating the old original store, we decided to make this house into a restaurant, which is the Sans Rival Bistro. Okay, and then we opened up outlet, our first ever outlet in a mall, Robinson's Mall here in Dumaguete. And then it just came naturally when Robinson's invited us to open up in Cebu. So that was our next step. It was, not so far, so we couldn't handle, because we had to do it slowly. We had to test the waters. We are not really big business people. So
legit pinakalit, diretsong harasin mo sa ano.
Yes.
Step by step.
Step by step. So after Cebu, our acceptance there was very good. So we opened also 3 outlets in Manila. These are just outlets. The Cebu is more sit down.
That's the Shangri-La, nakuha na ko sa Shangri-La Mall.
In Manila, yes.
Yes.
We have in Glorieta.
Glorieta.
And then we have in Shangri-La, and we have in Robinson's Magnolia.
Yes. Wow, no?
And
Amazing. Grabe yun ang expansion, no? From a very small store in a garden, and now it's already all over the Philippines. Hopefully, ka-open mo sa Mindanao, ma'am, no?
So,
layo lang.
But we are very, very grateful for the Dumaguete people who really brought it outside,
Yes. And kaya dyan ako ipakutan na, ma'am. Was it part of the original goal na you will become an icon of delicacy nga rin sa Dumaguete? Or what? It just happened naturally? What's mo expect?
Wala yun nila expect. Because, when you open something, you really hope for it to succeed, obviously, no? But as I said, when my mother opened it, she was on her own. We were all yet in school, we were studying, so she really did it herself. And little did we know that her passion for baking and doing good quality cakes, would give us this legacy. So it just happened naturally.
Then, sa may reaction sa inyong family nga, icon na dyan ang Sans Rival, ang Silvanas sa Dumaguete.
Well, we are very proud and honored that the Sans Rival Cakes and Pastries is somehow synonymous when we talk about Dumaguete. But it's also a very, very big responsibility that we take. That we want them to be always proud of us. So we always try to do our best to give out the best products that we can.
And speaking out of giving the best, of trying out new mga innovation, you're also trying new flavors, di ba, Ma'am?
Yes, you're perfectly on time because today is the day that we launched after so many months of working and product dev and all that is we launched our new flavored Silvanas.
Isa na ito mga bagong flavors.
Ang mga bago is we have the strawberry, the pandan, and the ube. So very classic Filipino favorite flavors, the pandan and the ube, and then the strawberry, which is a very common taste that everybody loves.
So lima na kabuo, butter, original.
Our original butter, and then our
Chocolate.
That's been there for years already,
Yes.
and then Bistro now, today.
Uy, excited kung makatilo. Anong
So coming
First to eat.
Ma'am, sa kanang 40 plus, sa may mga biggest challenge na nagihan sa inyong store mo, gato mo nga, kuyo lang
Other than the pandemic.
So far,
Smooth sailing lang.
no, because we have done it so slowly. You know,
Yes.
we've really taken our time. Maybe too slow, I don't know, but you know. So we're really always doing our expansion, doing everything at our own pace.
Pero kani mga expansion ninyo, ma'am, kanita na, dapat yun ang tagiya. Dili ni siya like in a franchise, in a style.
No.
But wala pa muna.
All those
And
other
I have been
branches.
asked that also, but we will eventually get to it.
Well, eventually.
Slowly and surely. Pero dali.
Pero makita mo sa dato ang effect mo sa slowly and surely.
That's right. You get more fruits, good.
So, asa ba yung message, ma'am, sa Dumagueteños nga mo take pride dun sa inyong product na, uy, kako dyan mong Silvanas, may ba kong mabot nga rin, uy, ang tudyo ta o San Silva.
Well, first of all, I'm very, very proud. I'm very proud and honored that that part of our success is really their success because they were really the ones originally who brought it out.
That's right.
Because we never advertised this one, you know. So it was really them who brought it out in Dumaguete, Pasayudo, etc. And as I said, it is also a challenge to us that we always are on our toes to make them happy and to always be proud of us. So it's like the burden is on us to really go up to the challenge, or come up to the challenge.
Pero gusto mong message sa mga tanang Filipinos nga wala pa nakatilaw.
Filipinos.
Oo, wala pa nakatilaw. Pero wala mo sila mga doon check mo. Uy, ilapit yun ang karikol. Yung mga tutod Dumaguete.
Why should you go to a San Silvanas?
Because our flavors are unique and we try to do the best we can. So if you will come to Dumaguete, please do drop by. We have Sansugal Cakes and Pastries and the Sansugal Bistro. In Cebu, we are found in Robinson's. So try it out, kaning ang bagong flavors po. So lang, kasi maganahan.
Kano sa kanina available itong bagong flavor?
Simultaneous.
Simultaneous. Wow! Kasi available na siya karon, guys. Karon yung tayo.
Only for today.
Oh, free sample.
Alright. Thank you very much.
It's also our honor, great privilege.
You are here with us, the people behind you, one of the people behind San Silvanas. Thank you very much.
Nakaibalo na kita sa unsay jud ang istorya na atog yung nasusi, guys. So daghang salamat sa pag-uban kanamo. Usa ka bakbakan si MugSusi. So karon ma'am, ato na ni-introduce ang atong mga bagong flavors and tayo bago sa di siya nga assorted.
Yes, we have 3 new flavors, which is the ube, strawberry, and pandan. And we also offer the assorted, so everybody it's easier for everybody to be able to taste the new flavors. So we have our original butter and chocolate, and then the plus the 3.
No, perfect yun na siya ay kanang makatilaw na gitastanan para.
Yes, o tilawin na ron.
Yes. Guys, mangtilaw ta.
Tilaw na kuha na, o.
Magtilaw.
Uy.
Magtilaw.
Guys, ako nga yung ganahan
Istorya.
tilawan, no? Kaya ang kanid yung ube. As in, uy,
Yes,
favorite
I think
yun
Try
na
that. One of
ako.
my favorites
The
is the
best
pandan
choice.
also.
Pandan,
You
no?
try the
Pandan.
Pandan.
Okay.
Alam. Ato yung kan. Ano eh? Ka-crispy naman. Kalami,
Yeah, basta dapat frozen.
Wala, lamig
Yes,
pa
you have
ayo.
to keep it frozen. So you can really enjoy.
Crispy kayo guys, awa guys oh.
Oh wow, makita siya mo no, matingog good siya. Nga. Diba? Lamig eh. Ano ganoon kay
Sana
kuan.
all masarap.
Salamat kay Ma'am Ham. Agto na day ko man ang interview.
How do
Very
you
nice.
like? Huh?
I like it.
Oh,
Buko
mild
pandan,
lang.
very ano kayo siya. Pandan flavor is very extreme gyud siyang pandan. Walay duda. Yellow is the
Butter.
butter. Ay, yeah, correct. Strawberry. Tunay assorted.
At we have the strawberry, pandan, ube. I don't know if you've tried also our chocolate. Nakasulay na mo sa chocolate.
nakasulay
namin.
Ah, okay.